How to save Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save a Google Slide presentation. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's start with the method 1, that is automatic saving. So first create your presentation in Google Slides, and after that Google Slides will automatically save your work. So there is no need to click a save button. To check if your file is saved, simply click the slides home icon on the left and you will see your presentation listed under recent presentations. This means it has been saved. And now with that, let's move forward to the method 2, that is to download a copy. So open your presentation in Google Slides, and once you're inside, simply click on Files. Now from the drop down menu, you can see the option labeled as download. So simply click on that. Now you can choose your preferred file types, and after choosing that, the file will be downloaded to your device for offline use. And that's it. That's how you can save a Google Slides presentation on your laptop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.